What is up, everybody? This is GamersX with your second tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about body and headers, what goes more in the body. So right now, you can see, we'll see what we got so far. We should just have a blank page, and it says my first web page. We have nothing in the body. So in the body, there's no sort of code. You can just write anything you want. If you can just say, and by the way, sorry about my fingers again, I'm going to get that fixed. But you can just say anything like, I like bacon in the morning, which I do. I really like bacon, and spell it wrong, of course, to make it right. So when you save that, it will run and launch it in Firefox or whatever you guys have, and it just says I like bacon in the morning. So you can change that multiple ways. It doesn't really matter how you do it. You can change it any way you want. You can have this, and then you just go here and take, and I like beef jerky, which I can't spell, so as long as you don't spell it, it's right. So take it, launch it in Firefox. I don't know why I keep closing it out as soon as it's done. But it says I like bacon in the morning and I like beef jerky. Well, so when you look at it, that's how it's supposed to be. But what if you're wanting to do like a paragraph? Let's say you want to skip a few lines and come down here and write, and I like pizza. Whoops. I don't know why I'm thinking about food right now. I guess it's because it's early and I'm hungry. So I like pizza. So you take it, and you can come here, and it says, and I like pizza. Well, you think after you take some spaces down and go down here, it would start a new line. But it's not. All this right here is just going to code together. The spaces and the indentions and enter, none of that matters. So I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do that to make it work. So let's just make a few examples. Let's make a couple headers. Let's go header 1. Let's just do the end is near, which I want to see. Definitely. And then H2, end is near. Just copy it. And then we'll do the end is near. So we'll save this and take a look at it. If everything's right, then you'll see you'll have a, did I close it? Nope. You'll have a bigger one, and then you'll have a smaller one, then you'll just have one right here. So the H1, the H2, and then the regular. Well, next I'm going to show you the tag. Actually, it's not assets, it's tags. And I excuse myself for that for the first video. But if you wanted to make a paragraph, instead of just writing this, like for example, we just put, I want to watch the end is near. And then you save that, you come here, and it's going to come right here, the end is near. So you're thinking, well, I just made it, enter, it should go to the next line. Well, what you can do to fix that is you can just do this tag right here, and that means paragraph. So now when you take it and you write, say you take it and then you write whoops, sorry about that, accidentally hit it. You write the end is near out in theaters, which I didn't spell right, so it don't matter, and I want to go see it. So you save that after you put your closing tags, and then when you look at it, it'll say the end is near out in theaters, and I want to go see it. So now after you put that paragraph, then it takes it, the end is near, then it puts a paragraph and takes it on the next line. The end is near out in theaters, and I want to go see it. And here's another thing you can do too. If you can just, in this code's like one of the only codes that doesn't have to have a closing thing. It's a break. The break doesn't have to have a closing. All it is this. It goes, and you put the forward slash, you put the less than, greater than sign. Then when you take that and you save it, whoops, I always do that. And then come here, and it says I want to go see it. So what this does is, alright, you got your header 1, the end is near. No, let me do it. The header 1, the end is near. Header 2, the end is near. Then you got your just regular typing, and then you got the end is near out in theaters and I want to go see it, which is the paragraph. And then we put that break right here that broke that up into another line. So if we take that break out, if we just take this break out, and now we save it, and we go back to it, then this right here, you'll see we'll go back up here because it's not breaking anymore. So the break is the only thing, the break is the only tag that, not the only tag, but is one of the tags that doesn't have to have a beginning tag or ending tag. It just has that simple tag that has the less than sign, break, / greater than sign. And then when you save it, you go here, you look, and it breaks it up. So today we talked about the header 1 and the paragraph and the break, which was a lot because some of you will understand, some won't. Just practice with it, get it all going. You'll see the end is near, and then you got all this. You got the paragraph that comes out, and then you got the break. You understand when you take the break out, that just goes back with there. Just experiment with a little bit, and thank you for watching tutorial 2. Thank you.